Have you ever wondered why one of Google's most powerful AI image models is named after a piece of fruit? I'm serious. Nano banana. It sounds like a snack from a sci-fi lunchbox, but it's actually the code name for Google's cutting-edge generative image model, officially known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And today we're diving deep into the strange origin story, the technology behind it, how it compares to other image models like Midjourney and OpenAI's Sora images, and why Nano Banana became a viral meme in 2025. Stick around, because this story gets fun and surprisingly important for the future of AI. So here's how the entire thing started. Back in early 2025, Google was quietly testing its next-generation image model on a closed platform called LM Arena, a place where researchers and early testers evaluate anonymous AI models. To keep things unbiased, the models weren't labeled Google Model A or Gemini Image 2. Instead, users were asked to suggest placeholder names, temporary nicknames until Google chose something official. And someone, somewhere, submitted Nano Banana. Nobody expected the name to stick. But then testers started noticing something hilarious. When they generated images, tiny banana motifs, like stickers, icons, shapes, kept appearing. Not always visible, not always obvious, but just enough that it turned into a running joke. LM Arena users started saying, "The banana one is definitely Google's model." The name went viral on social media. Creators started posting compilation videos of banana glitches, and memes exploded on X and Reddit. By the time Google prepared for the official launch of Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, the nickname was already so iconic, they simply leaned into it. Google publicly acknowledged it. Yeah, the internet wanted Nano Banana, so here it is. And just like that, a fruit-named AI joined the ranks of Google Search, YouTube, and Android. Funny name aside, Nano Banana is a beast. Its official name, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, reveals more about what's under the hood. This model is built on the Gemini architecture, the same ecosystem that powers Google's text AI, code models, and multimodal systems. Here are the core capabilities. Image generation. From text prompts, Nano Banana can produce photorealistic images, stylized art, anime, oil painting, cyberpunk, CGI, product mockups, landscapes and architecture, character concepts, and brand visuals. It's extremely fast, hence Flash Image. Image editing. Nano Banana does more than generate images. It can edit existing ones, remove objects, add characters, change lighting or color grading, transform styles, colorize black and white photos, replace backgrounds, combine multiple images into one. Google's edit accuracy is known for being cleaner than many competitors because Gemini models are better at understanding object boundaries and textures. Real-time editing. This is where Nano Banana really shines. It allows live brush editing, instant region replacement, drag-to-edit features, object reshaping with natural language. Google built this to be responsive for phones, not just desktops, something Midjourney still struggles with. Legible text inside images. A huge breakthrough. Nano Banana can generate accurate, readable text inside images in multiple languages. That means posters, book covers, UI mockups, thumbnails, signboards, social content templates. Creators no longer need to rely on Photoshop or Canva for text layers. Brand and character consistency. You can upload a brand logo, a mascot, a character, a product photo, and Nano Banana will maintain consistent design across all generated scenes. This is one area where Google is catching up quickly to OpenAI's character lens and Midjourney's character reference. Integration across Google products. Nano Banana isn't isolated. It's everywhere. Gemini app, mobile image creation, Google AI Studio, developer tools, Google Ads, auto-generated ad creatives, Google Photos, powerful editing, Android, on-device editing for future Pixel releases. Compared to competitors, Google has the strongest hardware-software ecosystem to implement AI at scale. For professionals, Google introduced Nano Banana Pro. This upgraded version uses Gemini 3 Pro, Google's most powerful model at the time. Features include higher resolution outputs, more control over lighting and camera angles, stronger facial preservation, better text rendering, improved consistency across multi-image workflows, support for 3D-aware image outputs, useful for AR and VR teams. It's Google's answer to Midjourney V7, Adobe Firefly 3, OpenAI's improved DALL-E and Sora image blend, but with one advantage: deep integration with Android and Google products, making it extremely accessible. This isn't just a fun tech toy. Nano Banana is part of Google's broader strategy to stay competitive in the generative AI arms race. Here's why it matters. 1. AI images are becoming standard workflow tools. Designers use AI for storyboards, marketing concepts, product prototypes, client pitches, thumbnail design. Nano Banana being built directly into Google Apps gives it instant adoption. 2. The future of mobile AI editing. Google wants the Pixel phone to run high-quality image generation locally. Nano Banana is the foundation for that. 3. Global reach and multi-language capability. Because it can produce legible text in English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, European languages, it becomes critical for international brands and global creators. 4. Competition with Apple and OpenAI. Apple will integrate multimodal AI in iPhone. OpenAI integrates image generation into ChatGPT. Google needs a strong visual system, and Nano Banana is it. Of course, the internet did what the internet always does. It turned Nano Banana into a cultural phenomenon. We saw banana-themed prompt challenges, banana Easter egg compilations, AI artists making Nano Banana mascots, developers creating banana-colored UI themes, Reddit threads rating banana density in images. Even today, when people talk about Google's image AI, they rarely say Gemini 2.5 flash image. They just say, Nano Banana is insane. And honestly, Google embracing the joke made the brand more relatable. What started as a placeholder name turned into one of the most beloved AI models in the world. Nano Banana represents the power of community, the rise of multimodal AI, Google's shift toward playful branding, and the future of image generation at scale. It's fast, it's powerful, it's surprisingly fun. And as Google continues pushing Gemini toward real-time multimodal models, Nano Banana might become the backbone of how we edit images in everyday life.